Hi guys, we are back. Today we want to speak about how to open iPhone charger 20 watt USB-C port. Okay, first of all we need a blade. You have to open it like this. Be careful to not to breaking the blade. Okay, then we need something like this, a thin blade. Okay, one of its wire is disconnecting. From this side you have to pull up because this USB-C port is stuck in here, and you have to pull up like this. Okay, this is inside the Apple iPhone charger. We have a rectifier bridge here. This is a optocoupler, and these two are MOSFETs for switching. In this side we have a controller IC, two capacitor, one transformer, one capacitor here, fuse resistor, another capacitor. This is a diode transformer and USB-C port. Okay, now we want to solder the wire. Okay, solder it. And now we can close it. For closing, you can do like this. First of all, put it like this. The USB port first of all must go first, and then pull it at the end of the box, and then you have to close the door like this. Okay.